Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some heart checklists, like the flag style ones, and then also just some regular flags. You guys seem to really like my Design With Me videos. If you haven't seen my last one, I will link it in the description box below. I designed the ombre heart checklist for you guys, and it seems like you guys like that, so we're just going to roll with these design videos and keep them going. But you can leave in the comments below things that you want to see me design, and that'll help me out to know what you guys want to see. But yeah, let's stop with the rambling and let's get on into the designing. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to go right over here to the draw a rectangle button. Not really button. You guys get it. You know what I'm trying to say. And we are just going to draw a rectangle. At the moment, I'm not going to be too concerned with the sizing. We will fix that later. But right now, we just want to draw a rectangle like this. And then we're going to go up here to this Edit Points button. We're going to click on it. And then we're going to click on our shape. And you want to just like kind of go in the bottom middle here and drag it up just a little bit. And there you go. You have your flag part of the checklist. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull, you guys are going to see some, these aren't really sneak peeks, but some of my other stickers, and this is what we're going to do because I need a size reference. So we want this to be this size. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And we are going to run over here, not run, we're just going to click over here on the Open Transform panel. And we're going to go to Scale. And then right here, we're going to type in 1.8, what was the size? 1.86. Okay, so 1.86 is what not the width. Nope, I almost messed that up. We want the height to be that. So 1.86. We're going to hit enter. The width doesn't matter too much, but just for the sake of this video, I will show you guys. So we want it to be 0.317. So we're going to go over here. We're just going to make this 0.317. And there you have it. That is the size of the heart checklist. So now what I'm going to do, because I like to have just a little bit of overlap with my colors. That way if my machine has a little bit of a moment and cuts slightly off, you're not going to get like the white around the sticker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my flag and I'm going to go over here to the offset panel and I'm going to click on offset. Then what I'm going to do is I want the corners to be, I guess actually this doesn't really matter, but I do want the distance to be closer in. I don't want quite so much overlap, but I do want just enough where if the machine is cutting slightly off, you're still going to get like that color, the color of your flag. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and click Open Line Style panel, and I'm going to click on the line color. We want this line color to be transparent because we don't want our machine to cut that line also. So that's why I do that. And then I'm going to click on Open the Fill panel, and we're going to make it just a random color. So we're going to do that. So when we do that, you guys will see that our cut line is actually in here, and there's just a little bit of like extra color wrapped around. And that's what I'm talking about when I say like if your machine goes off slightly, if you didn't have this, then it would just pull like the white color. It would just pull the white around the sticker, and you don't want that because then it's not going to look like it was cut correctly. Even though it was cut correctly, it's just that the machine got slightly off. So that's like a trick if you guys sell stickers that kind of helps reduce your like oops stickers, because you have this little bit of like overlap, just a little, it's like room for error, you know? All right, so now that we have the shape and the size that we want, now we're going to go ahead and add some hearts. So if you guys watched my last video, you'll know that I get my like clip art or icons from flaticon.com. You guys can check them out. They have a thing where you can pay so much a month and you can use their icons. It's really great. I highly recommend doing that, but that is where I get everything. So we are gonna click on this, and actually this is behind. So what happens when like a sticker is behind like that and you want to bring it forward, you're gonna go up to this little button right here and it is going to bring it to the front, and then you can like put it wherever you want it on your flag. So what I like to do is put 6 of them on this flag. And now before I do that, I am going to change the line color right here. So I'll just kind of click it in the same like color family as that. So now that we've gotten that done, we're going to go over here to replicate, and we're going to duplicate down like that. Now, I personally want some space between here, so I'm going to do that and just add some space. Now, something that I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click and drag to where, that's not what I wanted. Click and drag to where the cut line and the color are right there. And I'm actually going to make them, I'm going to group them together. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on all of these. So you just want to shift on your keyboard and then click all of those. Now I want to line them all up. So I'm going to go over here to transform panel, and I'm going to line them up. So I want to do vertical and make sure they're horizontal, so they're all lined up the way, like they're even, like spacing between them is even, and everything is just lined up so they look good. And then we're going to go ahead and move them right on over here to our flag. And there you go. That is how you make a heart checklist or flag checklist, whatever you want to call them. You can get really creative with this, and you can actually once you ungroup the cut line and the color, you can actually click on the cut line and you can do another offset. You can do another internal offset, and obviously you want to bring it out a little bit here. And you could make this, you can change the color of the line to white. And if you go over to like line style, you can make it like have dashes. And you're going to want to pull the thickness up. But you could get really like creative like that. You could do something like that. You could, I don't know what else you could do. I mean, it's really, the sky's the limit on how creative you can be with this. But yeah, this is the heart checklist. Now I'm going to show you guys real quickly how to make a flag. It's super, super easy. You guys probably already know how to do it after watching that, but I figured I would show you guys just in case. So we're going to go back over here to draw a rectangle, and we're just going to draw like a square. That's what we're going to do. Then we're going to go back up here to edit points. We're going to click on the middle and the bottom, and then we're just going to drag upward. You kind of have to play around with it, and then you have your flag. Again, you can do the offset, so that way you have some overlap. Just remember to always make that line a transparent line, and then that way your machine won't cut both of those lines. But yeah, so that's how you make a flag. That's how you make a checklist. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what else you guys want to see me design. And yeah, I think that is it. That's everything I have to show you guys. Make sure that you click subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if you want to make sure you never miss a video from me, click that little bell notification. It notifies you when I upload, because sometimes YouTube doesn't always share things in your subscription box. I don't know if you guys knew that. I actually just recently learned that they don't always share things like they're supposed to. So I definitely try to make sure to click the bell notification for people that I love watching and I never want to miss a video. So if you guys want to see more of these videos and you don't want to miss them, make sure to click on that. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and you like it and you want to see more, because those thumbs up help me know that you actually like this and want to see more content like this. So let me know by giving it a big thumbs up and by giving me a comment down below telling me what you think. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.